Namaste everybody, myself Ashish bring another video for today's topic Monopoly Multibagger Gems. Let's start with the today's video. Are you ready to uncover the hidden gems of the stock market? Well, the gets ready to step into the world of the Monopoly Multibagger Gems, the fastest growing stock. These are the stock that have the potential to skyrocket your investment and make you the real player in the market. First off, we have the stock that revolutionized the tech industry. With the groundbreaking innovations and a strong market presence, TCS and Infosys has stood up the rank in no time. Investing in this stock could be your ticket to the massive profit and long-term growth. Next, let's talk about a stock that dominating the e-commerce sector. With an ever-expanding customer base and innovative strategy, this company has become a force to reckon with. Gets into on actions now before it's too late. Like international company like the Amazon, Alibaba and Walmart, this is one of that really good stock to invest with. But what about the healthcare industry? Well, we have got you the covered there too. Discover a stock that is on the cutting edge of the medical breakthroughs. With the solid track record of the promising pipelines, Davis Lab could be the perceptions for your portfolio. But last but not the least, we have a stock that are revolutionizing the renewable energy space. As the world become more environmentally conscious, this company is the leading the charge of the sustainable solutions. Investing in this stock not only bring the financial gain but also the contribute a greater future. Borosil Renewable Energy and NTPC, one of the renowned name. There you have it, the Monopoly Multibagger Gems, the fastest growing stock. This stock hold the promise, incredible returns, long-term growth. So what are you waiting for? Take your investment to the next level. Capitalize on this opportunity. Remember, the games of this stock, knowledge is the power. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. More such amazing video for market insight. On the next episode, we'll be discussing on the Monopoly stock to invest, and we will bring the 3 episodes like the small cap monopoly, mid cap monopoly and the large cap monopoly. With this, I am closing out today's sessions. More such video, please do subscribe our channel. Also, the video is purely made for the educational purpose and please consult your financial advisor before investing. Thank you very much.